Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is everything turns to light. Everything you're going through right now is going to turn around for you for your betterment. This hard time, the anger, the resentment, the transformation from going from the old you to the new you, from negative to being positive, to make a difference out here. This is time to make your blueprint, pink print, put fingerprints, footprint, make a deadline, and also to make a timeline to meet your deadlines, to turn everything into light. You're on the right path. You're in the right place, right time, doing the right things. Just keep on going. I guarantee everything that you're going through, everything you're producing, everything you put your mind to is turning to light. So if you think it, spring into action, continue to move forward, because your life is changing and new season's coming where it's way bigger and you can't even imagine. Your prayers are going to be answered. Your manifestations are coming through. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me, and transform darkness into light. I allow myself to grow and become stronger. It's time to let go of those negative things that even have happened to you. You have the right to be upset about, but it's time to grow and be stronger and let those things go. Then you can replace all those things of anger, resentment, doubt, guilt, whatever those things are, replace with strength, love, light, gratitude, joy. You have the right to be angry, but you also have the right to be happy and to forgive and forget. Excel and evolve. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.